What's going on YouTube? BryceCrispy94 here, bringing you another mini painting video. This time we are doing a Dragonborn sorcerer. This is a 3D printed model from Lord of Print. I have a lot of Lord of Print's 3D printed files. I sub to them on my mini factory. The link will be in the down there. They do amazing detailed models. This is from their Swarm of Voyeur, I believe. And he's a Dragonborn sorcerer, I believe. It doesn't really say what he is, just that he's a spellcaster. But he is a white Dragonborn. However, this is my interpretation. I'm not going to be doing him as a white Dragonborn because, I don't know, I want to do something a little more fun. So I'm going to be doing a metallic Dragonborn. But very cool design. It's basic enough that I believe I can take and make my own interpretation of Kriv, I'm not sure, K-R-I-V, and create a really cool bronze Dragonborn sorcerer. So let's talk colors. So for the majority of his outfit, so the pants, the innards of that, and then the back and front, they will be a nice glistening blood. Now his actual bronze skin color, because bronze is bronze, but if you look at the way D&D displays their bronze dragons, they always have some green to them. So I'm taking dwarven bronze and combining it with green flame to get this duller bronze color. Then for his horn, I'm knocking my paints over. For his horns and this kind of like spikies, that's where I'm going to add the real green. And I'm going to use troll skin because it's a nice dark, almost jade-like green. Pick up my paints here. So that'll be nice. For his underpants here, because I believe he doesn't have shoes on. Or if he does, he has sandals. No, it looks like he's just got feet. Okay, cool. So for his pants, I'm gonna use Minotaur hide because I think that's a nice brown that I don't use a lot. It's kind of duller, so it's gonna make the rest of him pop. Because, I mean, those are just his pants. You don't really see those. Moving on for the outlines of his wardrobe. Oh, Minotaur brown for his belt as well. I forgot about his pouches. I'll have to do something else with those. Maybe I'll grab a different brown. But you'll see. I'm actually going to use one of my Citadel paints. This is Flash Glitz Yellow. Because I like the yellow and red combination, especially on sorcerers and wizards for some reason. We did the one human wizard a few weeks ago and did the yellow-red combination. This is going to be a different yellow-red combination, so we'll see if it stands out a little different. Anyway, moving on to his hair, which is different because most Dragonborns don't actually have hair, but he actually does have nice hair that comes down and then also goes back down the front of him as well. So that will be a nice matte black. And then I will be using Kinrin Gold to do the braid there. And there's two braids there, as well as the decor on his belt and chest. And then also his staff will be done in that gold. And then the kind of details on his staff will actually be done in Dwarven Bronze unmixed. And then the orb, a nice gemstone. And then finally, we'll do the base, which will be done in skeleton bone, and then be washed with a brown wash except for the actual skeleton bones. That way they can stand out amongst the base. Then finally, we will go back to his eyes, which we are just going to use straight up green flame. to make them really pop. But yeah, that is it for this little introduction. Let's get to painting. Alright everybody, it is here. The Dragonborn is finished and it turned out fantastic in my opinion. I really love how much detail is actually able to put into this guy. Lord of Print does amazing work. Just want to show him off real quick before I talk about him. Now, I don't know if that was my 3D printer or the 3D model, but see how his staff goes up and then kicks over? So I'm going to have to look and see if my printer screwed up, because this is kind of wibbly wobbly. I think I might got it glued down, but still. So we'll start from the bottom up. So for the base, it doesn't come through quite as well. Let me turn off this light real quick. That kind of gives you a little better look that the bones do actually stick out now, whereas when I just had the base coat, they just look the same as the actual ground. But once I added that wash and you got the cracks and everything in the actual sand, the bones definitely became separate from the base, which I really like. Then we'll talk about the skirt and the pants. Yes, I don't know if that's called a skirt, what that is, but I really enjoy how it turned out, especially the pants. They were really plain, but as soon as I added, liquid talent, yeah, they look like pants. As far as the actual clothing go, we'll just talk about, from the, I hate yellow. Yellow is now my officially least color to paint with. From this to the fire new orange that I used on the Untitled Dragon, it is just, it's a no for me, dog. Like, I can't. It takes so many coats to go over. I guess if I had a base coat white model, maybe it'd be fine. I'm trying to think, because I know I painted a wizard with yellow, and I think he was white. So I guess, yeah, if I'm going to do yellow, I'm going to do a white primer. But anyway, the gold on his belt buckle turned out well. The staff turned out super well. The orb, I love the orb. It's so shiny. His skin turned out well. His eyes, they're definitely visible. His horns and the side spikes there. I like how some brass still shines through, because I only did the one coat, and I did that on purpose because I wanted that kind of brass to shine through on his horns. It's also weird seeing like a Dragonborn with hair, but I also think that's really cool. So yeah, I mean, great miniature. Again, Lord of Print does fantastic models. He did this, he did the Untitled Dragon. I've downloaded some other stuff from him. I think this guy right here, this will be coming soon sometime. It's a Kenku Warrior, and I mean, fantastic. Definitely go check him out on My Mini Factory. He does monthly packs for $10. You can subscribe and you get insane amount of 3D models that are insanely detailed. So look forward to more stuff from him, painted by me, I guess. I'm not sponsored or anything by him. He's just got really good models and I like them a lot. So that's going to do it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Look forward to the next video, and I'll catch you then. Peace.